issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Madison County in north-central Alabama, southeastern Limestone County in north-central Alabama, central Morgan County in north-central Alabama, east-central Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama, until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:42 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Trinity, Oregon, 8 miles west of Decatur, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Decatur, Hartselle, Redstone Arsenal, Priceville, Trinity, Triana, Huntsville International Airport, Somerville, Valparaiso Springs, and Basham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Lawrence, Limestone, Madison, and Morgan.